how to fix payment not completed in App Store. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can fix payment not completed on App Store, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix payment not completed on your App Store, what you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all, this happens when you're trying to purchase an app but it says payment not completed. This is due to the issue with your payment application or the payment method you've added. So to fix this, you can open up settings here, and then once you open up settings, you want to simply go to your Apple ID profile from the very top of the screen. Once you tap the Apple ID profile from the very top, you're going to see this type of interface. Then after that, what you need to do is simply go to the option called payment and shipping over here. Once you go to the option called payment and shipping, you're going to land on this page. Then over here, you'll be able to find all the existing payment methods. If there's anyone that you think is causing the issue, you can go ahead and then remove those payment methods if you'd like. And after you've done that, you're going to go ahead and then add a new credit or debit card or even a PayPal account if you want to. Then tap the done button in order to successfully go ahead and then fix your payment method. This way you can fix payment not completed on App Store. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.